Storytelling is a powerful tool in communication. Think about those memorable moments at parties or gatherings when someone captivates the room with a compelling story. People are drawn to storytelling. It creates a connection and engages the audience. When the situation is right, sharing a story can enhance communication and make your message more relatable. Instead of simply giving an example, framing it within a story with a beginning, middle, and end can be more impactful. By narrating your planned actions, the actual events, and the outcomes, you provide context and depth to your message. This intrigues people. They want to know about your experiences, what worked well, and what didn't. Using diverse examples through storytelling can effectively support the points you're trying to convey. It adds an element of fun and entertainment to your communication, breaking away from dry data and facts. People appreciate a well-told story and helps them connect with the message on a deeper level. However, there are times when storytelling may not be appropriate. As a leader, there might be instances where you need to address rumors or squash misinformation. While gossiping can spread like wildfire, it's essential to avoid participating in or perpetuating it. Sharing stories that veer into gossip can damage your credibility and reflect poorly on your integrity. In summary, storytelling can be a valuable asset in communication, fostering engagement and understanding. When used effectively, it creates memorable moments and strengthens connections. Just be mindful of the context and ensure that your stories contribute positively to the conversation without crossing into the realm of gossip. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. If you found these tips helpful in boosting your efficiency, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. For those of you looking to take your game to the next level, consider checking out the resources in the description to unlock exclusive strategies tailored just for you. And before you go, make sure to check out the next video on our channel for even more insights and techniques to supercharge your efficiency. Remember, with the right tools and mindset, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Until next time, stay focused and stay productive.